Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ask Christine Live for the week. As you can see, I'm a little more casually dressed than usual for my lives. I have just got back from karate training because I'm competing in the State Open this weekend, and I thought I'd better do some extra training. So here I am ready to go live for you. And this week I have had some fantastic questions submitted, and one of them is really quite detailed that Lisa submitted. So I thought I would read that first so that you know what I'm answering. So first of all, it says, I'm involved in a social selling company in UK only. They don't like to be termed as network marketing of direct sales business. They are a party plan business that does pamper parties at home, and you can sell at events. However, they have set strict rules that no reps can offer samples, sell online, flash sales, or discounts publicly. Neither are we to do paid ads or boost posts. We are allowed to set up closed VIP groups on Facebook. I tried this and never got any interaction. Home parties are not my ideal option because she has a chronic illness. So would like to build an online business. I think to brand myself personally rather than promote the company products like everyone else is doing would be a better option. Do you have any tips on how to overcome the above and for branding yourself online? And yes, I can certainly help you with tips for all of that. Oh, it's great to see a few of you joining me live. Welcome. So first of all, let me just explain that the company that I am with doesn't allow most of that either. We're not allowed to do boosted posts or any paid advertising. We must stick all of our online marketing into closed VIP groups. And so that is common. Like you're not alone. You're certainly not the only company with that. A lot of party planner companies are very limited and strict with what they allow publicly on the internet. And whilst I do love in-home parties, and it is my personally preferred way of running my business, when my daughter was diagnosed with leukemia, I had no choice. I had to get good at online parties. And also last year when I had a series of strokes and a brain aneurysm, and I'm really lucky to be alive, the only way I could maintain my business at that point in time was through online. So I've had to get really good at this, and I can certainly guide you to success. This is something you can do. And the company I'm with has almost identical rules. So if I can make it work, then you absolutely can too. And I'm here to help guide you with that. So first of all, a couple of the key things that I've found to be critical for success in this area are to go live. And you'll have to get comfortable with being live on video like I am now within your closed group. And depending what your company allows, you may be able to do some kind of generic post to guide people towards your group, to grow the group. And it's going to be really important to grow that as much as you can. So branding yourself as much as possible online is going to be really, really important to help you stand out. And we do actually have, if you're interested, we do actually have a full attraction marketing course available on the website. You can do it all, it's all online as well, to teach you the whole steps and strategies, how to go about that, how to build a presence online and to do it in a professional way that draws people to you. So that's available. But there are lots of other things. Hi, Nikki. Hi, Alex. Oh, hello from Lexington. But we have on the blog, there's a lot of articles that you can go through as a starting point as well if you don't have the budget for the course right now. So I've got an article full of social media post ideas that you can download, print off, and it just gives you a really great starting point. I've also got an article on how to use avatars and emojis in your group to create a whole lot more interest and a whole lot more interaction. And also an article on how to take great photos just with a typical smartphone, because one of the things that the algorithm on Facebook loves is unique quality content, and it favors live video first and foremost, and second only to that, it favors unique images. So just sharing whatever your company provides for you isn't going to do you any good anyway, because the algorithm will squash it. So the more unique content you're putting into your closed group, the better it's going to be and the more people will see it. I've also got a really useful article on how to use social proof, and that is a critical element in creating and generating your online presence. So I would highly recommend that you start with those 4 articles, and I will put a direct link under the live for you on that will take you straight to those articles so that you can have a look, read through those, and that will be a solid platform for you, because it is absolutely possible to be able to grow your business online and do it all online. And I've got a couple of fabulous leaders who do exactly the same, have built their business fully online. And as I mentioned before, it's actually not my preferred option. I prefer to go out and be with people and to be in homes and to have that hands-on experience. But like you, I went through a period of time in my life with serious illness, first my daughter, then myself, and it just wasn't an option. So I had to get good at this. I had to learn attraction marketing, and you can too. And because I've been there and I've done it, and my mission is to support people in our community with the inspiration they need to achieve the business that they want, go and read everything that I've put out there on it. And I'd love to hear back from you about what you're going to try first. Carolyn also asked a really similar question on how to build up her first 25 to 30 online customers. And all of the things that I've just suggested are the same way to approach getting your customers online. If your company is a little bit more flexible with how you can promote, fabulous, use that. But it's not necessary, because I've managed it without it. So, oh, hello, Connie from Chicago. I just love how global we are. I'm sitting here in sunny Australia after a big workout, and I'm here in a singlet top. So I bet you're all rugged up over there in Chicago. Okay, well, thanks for joining me live. I absolutely love it when the community sends me their questions so that I know that I'm providing you the inspiration that you need for your business. So join me for some more inspiration next week. Lovely to see some of you on with me live, but hashtag replay if you're watching the replay, so that I know. It's really nice to see who's watching and what you're enjoying and what you're getting a lot out of. So bye for now, and send me your questions.